Hey everybody, welcome back. Another update for our Aventador build. And today we're going to be talking about electrical work and also leather work. We're working on the seats, and so we'll show you some of what we've done and some of the tests that we've done. And I've had my lovely mom helping me out with the sewing, so she's giving me a lot of tips and tricks on how to do this, and so far it's working out pretty good, and we'll show you some of the results of that. Anyway, stay tuned. Let's go take a look. So here we are. What we've done is we've taken our seat here and we've separated it out. We've taken off all of the fabric that's on it, and so we're going to use that as our starting point. And if you see here, this is our first piece, which you can see is all messed up, but that's our pattern. So, and then we've cut that out in leather here, and then we've made a pattern for our Y that's going to go in the middle of the seat, so we can get that look that we were looking for on the Lamborghini seats. The other thing that we will do as well is we'll bolster this up, and we'll try to make this look somewhat like the detail that they have on the Lamborghini's Aventador seat. So I've got some foam coming so that we can reconstruct that. We're going to cut these holes out right here. I have some metal to remove, and then I'll have to re-strengthen that, but that'll be easy to do. So we've got our little leather cut from our patterns, and now we're going to go ahead and stitch them together. But we did some test pieces here for the French stitch, where we did black thread and we did the red thread, which the red thread looks really nice. So that's what we're going to do for some of the corners highlights on the seat. Now the tool that we're using is a relatively inexpensive sewing machine. It's just a Brother sewing machine. One of the main things that are different between doing this and with fabric and doing leather is we have an upholstery needle, and then we have the appropriate thread for upholstery. So it's a stronger thread. So anyway, let's get started. Well, so there's our first go at it, and you can see we've got lots of wrinkles, but hopefully after we steam the leather and pull it out, did some of the top stitching there. So, it ain't going to be perfect, but, I think it'll be nice, and not only that, I'll have the pride and have done it myself. So, but anyway, that's where we're at. Next on our list, bring it out here to the garage with the car, and we've been doing a bunch of electrical work. I've moved them from this tray up here so I can actually have that as usable area, and I've moved all the electrical to the firewall, and then I'm going to put a panel over that, so it'll probably have some magnetic type of attachment so that it's easily removed, but it stays in place when you're in the car. So the other thing that I've done is I've taken out all of the wiring and turned it into umbilicals. Can't really show you that because I've actually put that in the car, and so I'm slowly wiring things back up to get them running. So that's our update. I hope you guys enjoyed the upholstery stuff. It's my first crack at it, so it's just like the paint job. The paint job is, not great, but from 10 feet away, you really can't tell. With the upholstery, I'm going to do the best job I can with the first seat. Hopefully the second one will go better, and then we can come back and, maybe make improvements. So that's just the process that you're going to go through if you want to do everything yourself. Like the electrical work, I've moved around a couple of times now till I'm satisfied with it. So it's just kind of the process. Are you Are you in it for building a perfect car? Or are you in it to learn stuff? Or are you in it for both? So myself, I'm just in it to, get the base car running, going, driving, and then I can start adding features to it and also improving the work that is done on it. So anyway, I know that's not everybody's style, but it's my style. So I hope you guys learned something. If you haven't subscribed, please do, and we'll talk to you next time.